Hello everyone! I just upgraded from Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020 to the 2021 version, and I thought I'd share with you some of the things that are new that matter to me and might matter to you if you're trying to decide if you should upgrade or if you should get the older or the new version. So first up, we have blank spaces on the timeline. I am really excited about this because previously all of your video would snap to the beginning of the timeline here and you couldn't control it. So now with this little arrow down here, if I click that arrow, then I can control where everything is. So this is the way it used to be with it all snapped back, and if I pull this, it just jumps back. So I can't put it out here no matter what I do. And now blank spaces, and it just puts black in your video where you can put text or an overlay on top or whatever you want there, and it makes things a lot easier. Next up, we have overlay transitions. So previously, when you would have an overlay over a transition from a video, the overlay would show on top of the transition like this. So that works well for some things, but for some things it's really frustrating. Now you can do it over the overlay. So I can actually put the transition here on the overlay instead, and it will go over whatever picture or video or anything you have on this overlay track here. I actually would like to test that over some text too. So if I put text here, I'm gonna guess that it doesn't go behind it, but maybe. Well, I don't know. Title text here. Yep, no. So no look there. Let's see if we can now, we'll do a quick test here and see if we can drag that. Nope, we can't put it on the text either. That one was a little frustrating too, but that's okay. So we'll be happy with that for now. So now you can put transitions on overlays. Next up, we have the new LUTs, and these are found in your color adjustments. So you can go in your color adjustments here, and under the Easy tab, you'll find some new preset color setups here. So we have dreamy, film noir, mystery, romance, space travel, thriller, time travel, trip to Mars, and vintage. I threw it on some sample video down here so we can see what it looks like with stuff moving. And you can see it just kind of can give you a quick feel change to whatever video you have. So I don't know. I'm not super excited about those, but it's something new. So then we have audio sync. I feel like this one is a pretty big deal. It's going to make things easier to snap overlay to your video down below if you have any audio that syncs up. So I would select 2 clips here that I want to sync, and then you just go over into your audio editing, just through this tab here, and synchronize, and poof, it just sticks those right together exactly where they go. So, ta-da! Now I don't have to worry about trying to sit here and line the little bumps up on the audio. So that's so much easier. So awesome. I'm really, really excited to test this out and see what else we can do with it. I also did notice already that the text is slightly different. So if I put in some text here, when I have this is a little bigger. So not a big deal, but it allows you to kind of see more of what you're writing here with your text. So that's slightly different. Other than that, I haven't noticed any big changes yet, but as I play around with it and start making some new videos here, I'll come back to you with my my thoughts after a little bit more use. I literally just got this yesterday, so haven't played around with it a whole lot. Just wanted to check out these new, like brand new things that were listed and that made me want to upgrade, and share them with you in case you're kind of stuck trying to make that decision for yourself. So I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be updating regularly with a video each week on Movavi, whether it's a how-to or a review of an effects pack, or I don't know, what do you want to see? Drop it in the comments, let me know. Have fun editing, and we'll see you next time.